In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send zip file in Gmail. A zip file is a single, compressed package that bundles multiple files or a whole folder, which makes sending documents, photos, or project assets much easier and tidier. It also helps keep the total size down, which matters because Gmail has a 25 megabyte attachment limit. Start by gathering the files or the folder you want to send. If your items are scattered, it's a good idea to put copies into one folder first so you know exactly what's going into the zip. Clear, descriptive file and folder names make things easier for the person receiving them. Next, create the zip file on your computer. Right-click the file or folder. On Windows, choose Send to, then Compressed Zip Folder. On a Mac, choose Compress. Your computer will create a new .zip file in the same location. You can rename it to something meaningful, like projectfiles.zip, but keep the .zip extension as is. Now open Gmail and start a new message. Sign in if you aren't already, then click Compose. In the message window, enter the recipient's email address, add a clear subject line, and write a brief note that explains what's inside the zip. A simple description helps your recipient know what to expect, especially if the zip contains multiple items. Attach the zip by clicking the paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Navigate to where you saved the zip file, select it, and click Open. Wait for the upload to finish. You'll see the file listed below the subject line when it's attached. Before you send, check the file size. Gmail allows attachments up to 25 megabytes. If your zip is larger than that, upload it to Google Drive and attach it using the Drive icon in Gmail. This sends a Drive link instead of a traditional attachment, which is ideal for bigger packages or when you want to keep everything in one place. Give everything a quick review. Confirm the recipient's address, make sure the subject and message are clear, and double-check that the correct zip file is attached. When you're confident everything looks good, click Send. A couple of quick tips as you work: if your zip contains executable files or certain scripts, Gmail may block the attachment for security reasons, so consider sharing those through Drive. Also, compressing files that are already compressed, like many video formats, won't shrink them much. Drive is often the better option for large media. That's it. You've successfully sent a zip file in Gmail in a clean, organized way.